Hi everyone, I'm ProTinker. I'm going to show you a solder paste extruder that I designed. This extruder has been carefully optimized for 3D printing. Parts are all 3D printed without hardware. All components consider the direction of force and printability. The printing process does not require supports, and there is no need to remove cumbersome supports. The following will explain the assembly process to you. Parts are connected by mortise and tenon or shaft pin, guaranteeing both flexibility and extreme strength. The connecting rod buckle is pressed in diagonally. Put in the nut part and press the connecting rod. The joint part is inserted into the syringe hoop. Insert the wedge from the notch below. Can lock joint parts. Mounting pin. Merge the two semicircular pins together. Pin spring has front and back sides. There is a step inside. The clasp is mounted to the pin. After installation, the pins should be flush. Insert pin. Install another spring. Assembly notch pin. Install buckle. Note that the buckle also has internal steps. Pay attention to the direction of the spring. It is wrong for the pin to protrude like this. Mounting handle. Insert notch pin. Locking pin. Finally, install the small latch. Insert from the square hole. This pin is designed to be tighter. Requires tool pressing. The connecting rod connecting piece can be inserted into a section of consumables. Insert through the middle semicircular hole. This will completely lock the connecting rod. How to use the extruder. Remove the screw first. Open the handle. Put in the syringe. This is a commonly used syringe solder paste in a 50 grams package. Cover the handle. Screw in. Hold the syringe with 3 or 4 fingers. Index finger, pull the handle, squeeze out the solder paste. Appropriately adjust the length of the screw to match the distance of the index finger. This extruder has been published on Takuchu's Make World website. Welcome to download and print.